Hey guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I am Caitlin, and this is my first official video that I am filming from being back from being pregnant and having my beautiful daughter. She's so amazing. Motherhood is great, but we are so happy to be back filming new episodes for you. And what better way to get started than with a recipe that I have been wanting to share for so long, because I am a huge Harry Potter fan who is not. I am in fact a true Gryffindor based on the Pottermore website, and I am so proud of that. But today we are going to make pumpkin pasties. For those who are not Harry Potter fans out there, it is a delightful little snack, a little pocket full of yummy pumpkin fun, and it's perfect for the season. You guys are going to love it. So we're going to get started by making some circular shaped pieces from a pie crust. If you want to make your own pie crust, knock yourself out, but I'm a mom now, I don't got time for that. So I have a store-bought pie crust here that we're going to just make into our circles to make our pumpkin pasties. So sticking with the theme, I have a big wide top here on my pumpkin mug that I'm going to use. You absolutely do not need to use a pumpkin mug, but I thought that would be fun. But you do want something nice and wide because you're going to want to have a big enough circle, because we're going to actually fold it in half, obviously, to make a pocket. So then you just take your circular device, whatever you're using and can find in your kitchen, stick it on in our pie crust, and pull it out, and you have yourself the right size circular piece of dough that we need for these pumpkin pasties. So again, if you do not know Harry Potter, a pumpkin pasty, it can be bought on the Hogwarts Express. So while they're on that train ride, while Harry's on the first ride to Hogwarts, he gets a pumpkin pasty. And it's, why not make them at home? They're really nice for the season, and they're super easy to make, and you get to feel like you're going to Hogwarts. So I feel like it's a win-win-win all around. This is a great time to preheat your oven to 400 degrees because we are going to start our filling for our pasties. This is 1 can of canned pumpkin, not pumpkin pie filling. They are not the same thing. Canned pumpkin, 100% pure pumpkin, not pumpkin pie filling, and 1 of the small regular sized cans of it into a bowl for our filling. So our filling is going to be kind of sweet, but also have that little bit of that fall spice to it, those typical fall flavors that we love in fall snacks. So in this bowl right here, I have about a pinch of allspice, a pinch of nutmeg, a pinch of ginger, and clove. That is all in this bowl here, just a pinch of it. They are all really strong flavors, and we're just going to dump that into our filling. That kind of gives it that kind of like spiced feel. And then that's why we're going to sweeten it up with some sugar. This is 1 teaspoon of sugar. If you want sweeter pumpkin pasties, go ahead and knock yourself out and add more. You know me, I'm not like a huge sweet person, so that's plenty of sugar for me. Plus, the next ingredient that we are going to add is a pumpkin spice by Simply Organic. This is actually kind of just a blend of some of the stuff we've already put in, but it's kind of balanced really nice. It has an extra kind of pumpkin-y spice flavor. This can be skipped if you don't have it, can't find it, don't worry about it, but I like to add a little bit in to mine. Last ingredient is we are going to do a cardamom, again a ground cardamom. It's a little bit of a bold flavor, so we're going to do about half a teaspoon, but just give it a nice good shake in there, and that's it. So now we're just going to give all that a nice mix until it's evenly blended so that each one of our pasties has the good flavor in there. And I told you this recipe couldn't be easier. And it's just so fun because, 1, pumpkin's awesome. I'm pumpkin everything this time of year. I mean, who's not? But also, like I said, I mean, I'm a big Harry Potter fan. Call me a nerd, call me a loser, but like, who isn't? I wish I could have went to Hogwarts. I wish Hogwarts was real, because then, like I said, I mean, I'm a Gryffindor. Like, I'd be great, but but I definitely feel like me and Harry would have been friends. I'm confident in that. So then we're just going to take our circular pieces and put just a little bit of the pumpkin filling right in the center of one side of it. You don't want to overstuff your pumpkin pasties because then it will come out the front. Just going to go like that. Then you just fold it over and take a fork and press down the dough like you would an apple pie. And then we're going to give them an egg wash before we put it on our lightly greased pan over here. But I'm just going to move it to the side for now because I'm going to do the egg wash all at once. So we're just going to put a nice dollop of pumpkin in. You want enough that the pocket is nice and full and has all the flavors, but you don't want it to overflow. If it does overflow, it's not a big deal, but you want mainly your pumpkin to stay in there. So then you just fold it over and press it down, like I said, like you would do a pie. We're going to get that egg wash to really seal it. And that's it. So once they're on your pan and ready for the oven, we're just going to hit them with a little bit of an egg wash. Help them stay closed. And then they're going in a 400-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Last thing before these are going in, I know I said I don't like sugar, but this step makes them kind of really pop. You're gonna sprinkle a little bit of sugar over that egg wash to just kind of have a little bit of a sweet crust. Trust me, you'll like it. So after that, into a 400-degree oven for 15-20 minutes, and you have some delicious pumpkin pasties. And after that time, go ahead and dig in. They are so yummy, so fantastic. You get to feel like you are taking a ride on the Hogwarts Express. You and Harry, BFF for E. I know this is only my fantasy, but hey, it's my channel, so I get to do what I want. But happy Halloween, guys. I am so happy to be back filming for you. And maybe one day I'll get my daughter back here, get her whipping up some stuff in the kitchen with me. But I will see you next time. Bye-bye.